right, so this is the box itself. This gives you all the information on it. You got this bar. You've got these feeder things. Tells you about those doohickeys. You got an extra, whatever that is. Yeah. That's it. Over here, apparently it stimulates circulation. It's the Therapeutic foot massager. There she is there. That's it. All right, let's open this bad boy up and see what we think. Got it from Costco. So let's unbox it. It is basically a foot massager. So, pop her open. Chum-chum. What does that say? Warning. Please consult your doctor before using. What? Oh, come on, give me a break. They didn't ask us to do that when we were at Costco. And here it is. That's what comes in the box. It's just one thing. Bam, done. So this is pretty simple. You just got to plug it in, right? And then this is your power switch. I'll plug it in over here. Okay. Now let's check her out and see what we think. Bring her over here. Okay, so this is what it's called. It's an original therapeutic massager. If you want to call the company, there you go. All right, so you just put your feet on it. And this is the control. There's one. All right, not bad. Put your foot up on here. Yeah. Put your toes on there. Push it forward like this. Get your heels. My shoe leather. Let's go ahead and bring her up. I'm gonna go up to 6. There we go. Check it out. Feels pretty good. All the way up. Oops. There we are, that's the highest. Alright, that's it. That is the MedMassager for your feet. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.